Whether you've been driving for a long time or just trying to get started, one of the big questions a lot of drivers have is insurance and what they need and how to get it. Well, today we're going to be discussing one service that's going to be amazing that you can use that's going to help you. Let's jump in. Hi, I'm Tyler from the RideShare Guy. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at Buckle Gig Auto Insurance. This is an insurance specifically designed for gig workers. So first, let's talk about insurance and why this is important and how you can typically get it. Now, we all know that insurance and being protected while we're out there driving is one of the most important things. Of course, none of us want to get into an accident, but if we do, then we want to make sure that we're as protected as possible. Now, most of these services, or all of these services, really have some sort of insurance. Depending on what stage you're in of the delivery or pickup, you may have different coverage, and you're not going to be covered in all different stages. And some of the different delivery apps are not going to have any coverage whatsoever if you're delivering things such as food or groceries. So you're going to want to make sure that you're covered by having additional insurance. So that's why we have and are discussing today Buckle, which is an insurance company specifically designed for gig workers. In fact, in order to sign up for it, you have to attach the gig working that you're doing, whether that's Uber, Lyft, Uber Eats, Instacart, Doordash, whatever the case may be, you have to attach that to that in order for it to even qualify to get the insurance, which is an amazing thing when you think about it, because this, again, is a insurance that is designed specifically for gig workers. So to qualify, they don't run a credit check, but you do have to be using and being a gig worker. Now, unfortunately, at this time, it's not available in all states, but right now, as of the recording of this video, it's available in Texas, Georgia, Illinois, Tennessee, Pennsylvania, Washington, D.C., Nevada, Florida, and Maryland. Now, I did, because I live in Florida, go and take a look at the quote at how easy it is to get. You simply put in your zip code and it tells you how much that your insurance could cost. And again, this is not just the rideshare insurance. You can get total insurance through them. And it said that the insurance would be as low as $20 for me. It's a simple, easy process. Highly recommend that if you live in one of those states that you definitely check it out and see if it can save you money. Even if you already have insurance in place, check it out, because it's likely going to be better insurance, because it's, again, specifically designed for those who are gig workers. So it's going to cover in all stages of the delivery, pickup, or anything like that with passengers in the car, unlike a lot of other insurances. And a lot of times the deductible is going to be a lot less. But what if you don't live in one of those states? Is Buckle just going to be something that you're not able to benefit from? Well, they actually also have a membership as well, a free membership that you can join that gives discounts for different things. So think of, like, if you have a regular 9 to 5, a lot of times they'll have a discount site or a reward site or employee discounts for different things such as restaurants or different things like that. But this is specifically geared towards rideshare things. So things that you're going to need for ride sharing. So it'll have the insurance for Buckle in there in the membership. It also has other different discounts for gear, such as different places where you can get dash cams or things like that. But all of the different discounts in there are going to be specifically geared towards rideshare drivers and gig workers. So this membership is something that is able to help you even if you don't get insurance through Buckle. So they're helping gig workers even if they at this time don't have insurance in your state. They're still able to help you. Now, Buckle is not just a insurance company that's new. It's relatively new, but it's not just a few months. It's been around for 5 years now, recently celebrated its 5th anniversary, and has actually won awards for best insurance company. So it's a great company that's able to help you. It's going to help not just with rideshare and gig insurance, but it's going to help with your insurance in total for all of that. Whether you're driving for a gig, making money, or whether you're driving for personal use, it's going to be able to help you and benefit you. And there's even more. Right now, if you sign up, you'll get an additional credit. So you'll get a $20 if you're able to get the quote if you live in one of the states that we mentioned earlier. Again, that's Texas, Georgia, Illinois, Tennessee, Pennsylvania, Washington, D.C., Nevada, Florida, and Maryland. If you live in one of those states, you'll get a $20 credit right now, $20 if you go and get a quote. And if you join the membership, no matter where you live, you'll get a $5. So the link will be in the description below for those, but absolute must, especially right now, just try to get a little bit extra money. We highly recommend that you sign up for these things. The membership is free. It's going to benefit you. It's going to help you to get additional help with the rideshare. Insurance is truly an important thing that is going to help you and make sure that as you're out there, you're making money. Should the worst happen, you're protected and everything is set. So if you have tried Buckle in the past or are currently using it, please leave a comment below. If you have any questions, ask them, please. We read every single comment. Please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us. There's new episodes that come out every single week. And stay safe out there, everyone.